welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And once again, we have another video that you need to listen to. Now we have Marcia on this video today, and she's speaking about Ashanti, and she's saying that allegedly Jeanette dismissed the case against him, so he will still be staying at Jeanette's house as she dismissed the case. So Marcia, she's talking about a whole lot of stuff. She's, giving advice to Jeanette as well, saying that Ashanti won't change because he will be the same way he was before. So she's also saying that it may be a case that Ashanti has something on Jeanette, why Jeanette had to dismiss the case. So go ahead and listen to what Curly has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Subscription and all of those keep the channel going. So keep watching. Have a good one.
And rule you. Sit there. Sit there and make somebody like that. You must could have find one other way out. It's not gonna change, it'll get worse. And the thing about it, you're not gonna have nowhere to go this time. You let everybody down. From you see what you do for that man and what him do for you. And you continue. Breaking news, people, breaking news. Janet dismissed the case on Ashanti 360. So I'm not getting no eviction tomorrow. He's staying right in the Bomberclot house. And that's why I'm coming and have so much strength. But it's not about sex. Him have something for her. And because of that, she dropped the charges. He's accusing her of something. I wonder that's something. You understand? She dismissed the case. Go in the courthouse and look. It not going to change. It not going to change. What a letdown. What a woman letdown. And every man, if you tell your business what you do. And the worst thing we can do as a man is to tell man our business. Me not tell man my business. You understand? Me chat little things with my friend, but me not tell my friend them certain things. Me have my auntie them me talk to certain people. Because if me never go tell what's her name the other day about the court proceeding or whatever, you could have know it on social media. A friend freak me up and come out here and dash it out of social media. Yes, my dear. And you call me. And you call me, no miss? And you call me. And I call you. What a disappointment. What a disappointment. You know, so that not gonna look good for you. It better you did buy one car. And tell him if he go on or something. But you keep him in your house. Yes, my dear, breaking news. Janet drop all charges against Ashanti 360 in a courthouse. Voluntarily dismissed. Me? Husband, me know you watch me. Unless it's so, unless I mean, yeah, Janet a big friend. But Muda say, well, Camila could say, proceed with a divorce and just get to a boat. Is it true me talk to, no? Me not come bother say that. Cause me realize you blackmail. In blackmail the woman. In blackmail the woman. Big time. In blackmail her big time. Ashanti 360, you're wicked. And you are going to get your punishment. Eh? You is a dog. Eh? Yes, my dear, breaking news. Janet dismissed all charges in the courthouse. That's why I have too much strength to come out here, sir. Huh? What a piece of thing. But anyway, people, I guess you don't have no choice. I guess you don't have no choice. Good luck to you. Good luck. Good luck to you. But long run, short catch. Me must catch him. He must hack up. He must come from social media and threaten me. Yes. Yes, my dear. Yes. One more time. I want you to come from social media and threaten me. Come click the gun for me one more time. Come click the gun one more time if you think your ass bad. Come click the gun one more time for me if you think your blood clot bad. One more time. Come click it for me. Me catch you 2 times already. 3 strike your bumbo clot out. Come click it for me one more time. Bitch. Ashanti 360. Hi, how are you? Come click it for me one more time. What a lucky thing me never press the foot on the gas. I reverse in there now. Huh? No, sir, in here get hot. What degree they put? Mirrors 82. That's why I get so hot. Yeah. Can you imagine? I know you're watching me, Janet. You shouldn't tell him nothing. You can't bring man like you. You cannot bring man like that, the man they around you. If you know your business. Plus the other one. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? It'll come out eventually, you know. Mark might tend to come out eventually. It'll come out eventually. Me know that somebody soon tell Maxine. Me know that somebody soon tell Maxine. That not going to hide. That is not going to hide. Somebody soon tell Maxine. It's not going to hide. The woman go to the courthouse and cancel all the paperwork. Eh? The man blackmail the woman. So me not even cuss you. Because me know say blackmail you. For staying at the woman house. Ashanti 360 deserve to go L back way. Headway, you deserve to go L. You's a wicked man. You not work, you not have nothing. You can't even get apartment in your name. You owe so much things, nothing at all you can't get in your name. You're on social media, babe. So if you not call up my name, forget a little check on Facebook. Forget if like nothing. And you did it. Take advantage of the woman. What is going to happen to you? What is going to happen to you, Ashanti 360? There is no easy way out for you. They more catch you some sort of way. They more catch you some sort of way. Me not ask you. She have money. She have money. She must catch you some sort of way where you do. She must catch you some sort of way. This is not the same woman when me sit down and talk with she and her husband right beside each other talk to me. This is not the same person could have changed your mind so quick. This is not the same woman who told me she's going back to her husband and giving a second chance. And I sit down, I write this up on the phone with both of them. She doesn't want you anymore. This is not the same woman that I speak to that is so hungry and dying to get rid of you. So you're coming on social media and you're playing this game, this mental mind game where I try to convince people that my son in a prison and all kind of something. And I try to use a tactic. Huh? Why are you in the dark? Who is in the house? Why are you in the dark? Eh? Why are you in the dark? You only can't come live when the person is not there. Why are you in the house in the darkness? What are you hiding from? If I not feel your house freely, why are you in the dark? Eh? Why are you in the dark? Hold on the people. Eh? What is going to happen? Are you involved me in this? I'm me glad. Me glad. Me glad she called me. Me not lie. Me glad she called me. Me glad she called me. Because this is not no lover's affair. This is blackmail affair. This is not lover's affair. No, she not put no witchcraft on her. This is a blackmail affair. This is a blackmail affair. This is a video what me do 36 minutes ago. You can show us something. Or man in people and wicked. Bless and highly favored. Listen. As long as I don't live bank prison, I come out February. My supporters them hear me talk to my son few days ago per phone. And me can't call phone straight in a prison. You understand? Let me see if CJ answer. You can't call phone straight in a prison. That's number one. You can't call. So when I not try to do, you can't insult me. That's why me not back down from the now. Me not back down from the now. Can't make no sense. You can't call phone straight in a prison. CJ phone a ring. Here you young people, listen. Yeah, man. What's up, CJ? Hello. What's up? Nothing much. You get a tire fix? Yeah, I got my tire fix. No, you never call back and tell me to get it fixed. I did tell.